Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you very stylish latex leather dresses for men. So please support me by sharing my video. Keep watching, keep visiting for more videos. You can get great designs and great ideas from our videos for your shopping. Our channel is all about latex leather dresses, beautiful collection. You can see shiny blazers with stylish pants. If you want to see something else, you can send us your messages by commenting in the comment section. So please take good care of yourself. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.